One of the key frustrations that you might also share, along with me, is the ongoing requirement by Amazon KDP to fund Amazon ads. If you don't have Amazon ads with your books, you're probably unlikely to get much traction. You won't get into the algorithm. And the other key thing is actually trying to get reviews for your books. So that launch of getting reviews, running your Amazon ads, then ensuring that you actually get some form of traction is just so important with Amazon KDP. But I've found with my journey with IngramSpark, I've not had to worry about any of that. Now, maybe I've been fortunate that I got onto IngramSpark about 5 years ago, and I've been consistently uploading books onto IngramSpark. But you'll see in a moment when I show you my most recent report of my publishing my books that sales is continuing to come in. In fact, I had one book that I had a bulk purchase of 131 copies. So things like that can happen with IngramSpark. Of course, there are things you need to be aware of. And if you wanted more information, more training, more in-depth detail, then you can go to my free training, which I'll provide a link in the description below, and you can cover off everything you need to know about IngramSpark. But what I'd like you to do now is to show you my May 2026 report. I'll show you the US, I might even show you the UK, and I'll show you the number of books that just continue to be sold. And it's incredible how many books that I can upload and have that consistent, ongoing, monthly recurring revenue. So I can do more of the things that I want to be doing with my spare time, rather than having to think about Amazon ads and doing all that all the time. So let's get into my report right now. So I've logged into my IngramSpark dashboard, and what I want to do is go to Reports Classic, which is just on the left-hand side here, and then I can go down to print sales, and I'm going to go to this one right here. Now, the next thing that I want you to do, if you do have an IngramSpark account, if you want to find the report that you want, make sure that you got the date range in place. Then we're going to go US, so you can tick that on or off. US here, keep going down to US dollar, and we're going to go print on demand. Once we've done that, we scroll down and we go submit. So then this brings up the report, and you'll have the ISBN, the title, the author, the list price, discount, all the details across the top here, and you've got the net publishing compensation. So once you've got the sale and the net sales and the print charges, then that will give you the amount that I would be getting. So for example, the top book here, I've sold 2 copies and I'll get $5.34 US for that particular book. Now, let me scroll and you'll see how many books have actually been sold just in the month of May 2026. So you ready? So we're scrolling now, still going down, still going down, still going, and we keep going. There's one here with 9 sales, still going down, lots of sales with 1. We've got 3, a few 3 there. We've got 1 bulk order of 131. So that gave me $356 US for that bulk order. And it totals down to 351 sales, no returns, and currently $897 US as a publisher compensation for me. So that's just in the month. There's been some much bigger months than this one. This one's probably middle ground, but it just shows you what is possible. Now, if we were to go all the way back up, and then we go edit criteria, let's go to the United Kingdom as an example, and then we change it to pounds, English pounds, unclick that one, print on demand, then we scroll down and we go submit. We want to submit again. There we go. Then this brings up the books again. So we've got not as many sold here. If we look right down the bottom, we've got this book here at 13 copies sold, and we've got 35 copies, adding up to 105 English pounds for the month. So you've also got Australia as well that you can do the report on. So it just shows you the amounts that you can get with IngramSpark, and without doing any advertising, any trying to get reviews, all of that adds up, which is just unbelievable. Now, as you can see from that report, I do have quite a few books that I've published. I think it's around about 160 to 170 books that I've published overall with IngramSpark. So as I'm scrolling through, you can see that many of the books are paperback but also hardcover versions. And the reason I do that is because some customers prefer the hardcover version. If I have gift books, then someone that's buying a gift book may want the hardcover version rather than the paperback version, but there might be that bulk order of 131 copies where they don't need the hardcover, they just want the soft copy or the paperback version that they can distribute, and that's an educational book that might go out to a school. So they're the opportunities that you do have with IngramSpark. It is something that I just love seeing every month, that report coming through. I think the biggest month that I've ever had was December last year, where I had over $13,000 worth with orders that came through. Or sorry, that was my author royalties that came through. The overall sales was over $20,000. So it is a wonderful way to generate that ongoing revenue. But as you do know, that you have to get a ISBN or purchase an ISBN to publish books on IngramSpark. They don't permit every kind of book. They do have a content integrity unit that will have a look at your book to ensure that it's suitable for upload to IngramSpark. But that 3-hour course that I've created with, again, the link in the description below, provides all of those details about the kinds of books that you can and that you shouldn't even try and attempt to upload. So I hope this provides some good reasons why Amazon KDP, as good as and as big as the marketplace is with Amazon, and if you get some books that get some great traction, then they could be amazing for you. But I'm all about providing diversification with your publications as well, with your books. Don't just focus on the one platform. This is evidence that if you have some books and you want to provide that diversification and don't just always be putting on Amazon and trying to find money for Amazon ads, you can use IngramSpark as an alternative or as another source that you can generate income from for publishing books. So I really hope that you've enjoyed this video. You might have got some inspiration to publish your books a bit wider than just Amazon. And if you want more information about publishing books, then check out my back catalogue of videos on my YouTube channel. And I've also got a number of different courses. You can check out my website, which is globalselfpublishing.com. Anyway, hope you enjoy this video, and I'll catch you again soon.